Welcome back guys to another cocktail video. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today we're making an interesting tequila cocktail. It's called Elixirita. It was created back in 2007 by H. Joseph Ehrmann in his bar Elixir. It was his signature drink and he dedicated it to the Boston College Eagles. One could say it's actually a Tommy's Margarita with just a small addition of cognac, but we'll try it and we'll see. So without further ado, let's make an Elixirita. So the first ingredient, of course, is Tequila Reposado, 60 ml, 2 ounces. Followed by 1 ounce of lime juice. Next up is agave syrup, 50 ml, half an ounce. And last ingredient is cognac, 7.5 ml or quarter of an ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake our cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Smells nice. Now we need a margarita glass. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our margarita glass. The original recipe doesn't say anything specifically about garnish. I think there is none, but I'm going to use a dehydrated lime wheel. Just drop it in. And that's it, ladies and gents. Elixirita. Cheers! This is amazing. Amazing. You can taste tequila, lime juice, agave syrup, sweet, it's citrusy. You have that smokiness from Reposado tequila. There's a small hint of cognac, just a tiny bit. It's actually pretty good. So kudos to H. Joseph Ehrmann. My friend, you're amazing. This is amazing. That's it, ladies and gents. Another easy recipe, H. Joseph Ehrmann's Elixirita. Try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. It means a lot. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.